Looking for great women fashion deals for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, long sleeve wool coat with full zipper and high neck collar. Side pockets, select colors available, by J.Crew Mercantile. Number 2, solid long sleeve cotton wool sweater with crew neckline, rib trimmed cuffs and hem. 50% off now on last minute Christmas sale. Another great product by J.Crew Mercantile. Number 3, basic long sleeve striped tissue cotton turtleneck tee. Slim fit, ivory/navy stripe. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.